Hey, my name is Eduardo Cardenas, and I'm so excited you're here now. I have something very special for you. Right now, I'm working through a new training course called Affiliate Bootcamp. It takes you step by step on how to become an active affiliate. Is it working? Well, you're on this page. It means I literally drove traffic, you opted in, and now you're on this page. It's working for me, and I know it can work for you as well. The reason why you need this is if you're struggling to start an affiliate business, you've been trying to figure out it for a long time. You haven't made the first dollar, or maybe you've made it, but you're stuck, you don't know how to grow it. The affiliate bootcamp literally walks you through everything that you need to drive traffic, build list, make sales. And the coolest things is that you get 6 income streams when you go through it, which is really awesome. I'm loving the affiliate bootcamp and I want you to be part of it as well. There's a link down below, and all you need to do is click on it. And when you do so, it's going to take you to a special sign up page. It's like the cheapest thing in the world. You can get it for $7 a month or $97 for a lifetime. I've signed up for it, and it's the coolest thing in the world, and I want you to go through it. Okay? Now, the link is down below. Click on that link, go sign up, and what you're going to find is that every day you walk through a couple of different lessons, it's not going to be overwhelming. It's simple and it's easy. And what you do is you watch 5 to 10 minute videos, you do the thing, you keep doing it, and by the time you're done, you're going to have your entire affiliate business done for you. So it's insane. So all you need to do is click on the link down below again, go sign to the affiliate bootcamp, and I can't wait to see you to be working with you on this thing. It's the coolest thing in the world, and now go get it.